Hey, tech enthusiasts, buckle up because the future is here and it's called the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you thought the S24 Ultra was a game changer, wait till you hear what Samsung has cooked up this time. Spoiler alert, it's mind-blowing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button for daily tech updates that'll keep you ahead of the curve. Let's dive in. First up, the display. The S25 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 3X display with a jaw-dropping 2000 nits peak brightness. That's right, your screen will look crystal clear even under the brightest sunlight. Plus, it now supports a 1 to 240 Hz adaptive refresh rate, making every swipe and scroll buttery smooth. Now, let's talk cameras because Samsung is raising the bar yet again. The S25 Ultra features a quad camera setup with a groundbreaking 250-megapixel main sensor. Yes, you heard that right, 250MP. It's paired with a 48MP ultra-wide, a 12MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and a new 50MP macro lens for insane close-up shots. Oh, and the AI-powered camera software? It's like having a professional photographer in your pocket. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is powered by the all-new Exynos 2400 chipset, built on a 3nm process for insane performance and efficiency. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, this phone is a beast for multitasking, gaming, and everything in between. Battery life? Samsung didn't disappoint. The S25 Ultra packs a 5,500 mAh battery with 100W fast charging, 50W wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging for your other devices. You'll be powered up in no time. And here's the cherry on top. The S25 Ultra introduces a fully customizable holographic display feature. Imagine projecting your notifications, videos, or even AR apps into thin air. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. So, what do you think? Is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra the ultimate smartphone of 2024? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily tech updates, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.